Hi guys, we are here at the Hyatt Place Uncasville Casino area in Connecticut, and I want to give you a little tour of our room, which is a king bed room with sofa bed. So here is our room 433. And when you walk in, we have this nice sectional sofa, which does pull out into a sofa bed. And then coming around this way, we have a mini fridge with some storage and a little coffee maker with tea. Those did not come with this. And right across from that, we have a desk for working. Now this is a Hyatt property, a Hyatt Place Category 4. So if you have the Hyatt credit card, you can use your free night here. And if you have like Chase Sapphire points, you can transfer those to Hyatt and, use points to stay here. This hotel is right next door to Mohegan Sun Casino and has a free shuttle every half hour. So it's a great use of points if you want to go to Mohegan Sun for the weekend. We have our TV. This swivels so that you can watch TV from the bed or the sofa. One weird thing is I have not been able to find a safe in this hotel. And on each side, they're giving you $6 waters. So after you've been at the casino all night and you're desperate for water, you open it and get charged $6 each. But if you are a World of Hyatt member, you do get 2 free waters for every night that you're staying. This room does come also with 2 queen beds, so you can do that. And the rooms with 2 queen beds, you can hold up to 5 people because you can do 2 on each queen and then 1 on the pull-out sofa. And then on this side, we have the closet with ironing board, some extra blankets, and I don't see a safe in here either. And over here is a little luggage rack. Then coming right away to this side is the sink for outside the bathroom, which does have a hair dryer, and those are just storage. And then we can go over here into the toilet. So here we have the regular facilities and a stand-up shower. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tour of our room. If you don't mind hitting that like button and subscribing to my channel if you'd like to see more hotel tours or more travel content in the future. Thanks everyone, bye.